Cause once we get started then we just can't stop. And when you see the Lamborghini then you know what's up. Because cheap is cheap and the talk is talk, yeah. Now we chillin' on a cruise ship, take a jet to Korea, how we do it. All the players are playing the game, head is looking lame. So we started getting money and you know we stay paid. Sighs and sounds, we go around, around, around. Taking the sights and the sounds, we counting money, counting money. What makes the world go round is top about that cha-ching sound like.
Standing right in front of me, you used to be someone to me. You took all of my energy and had some infidelities. The real estate inside my head you took is never coming back. But you said that it wasn't personal. And every time you lied to me, it's like I didn't want to see. Cause I thought you were beautiful, and beauty doesn't want to be mischievous and devious and set a fire unto us. But you were never beautiful at all. I wasn't fine to begin with, walked all those lines to begin with. But you forced me to work on myself because you put me through hell. I guess I should thank you for that. I'm okay, but it was a real close call. It went from a walk to a crawl. Had to tear down the Berlin Wall. I was panicking, panicking, but out again, laughing with the group of friends. There he is, you're holding hands, makes me feel pathetic and a little bit erratic. So I drink till I can't stand. And you know I won't confront you, even though it's all I wanna do. Probably best to just ignore it, both impossible and true. I wasn't fine to begin with, walked all those lines to begin with, but you forced me to work on myself because you put me through hell. Thank you for that. I'm okay, but it was a real close call. It went from a walk to a crawl, and a dead on the Berlin Wall. I was panicking, but hey, I guess that I survived you, and that shit was hard to do. I've had every shade of the blues since I met you. She loves me, not the petals hit the floor. And what you get is what you got when you can't pull no more. I'm okay, but it was a real close call. It went from a walk to a crawl, and the dead on the Berlin Wall. I was panicking, but hey, I guess that I survived you, and that shit was hard to do. I've had every shade of the blues since I met you.
I just wanna leave the past behind, wake up from this fever dream, and see what we could find. Ready for a story that's all mine, never knowing where it leads, but honey, that's just fine. We can love forever or live in the moment, but we gotta own it. Baby, let's go. We can leave whenever. Just hit the road, 'cause all we have is now. Take a breath, 'cause this is just the start of every single thing we dreamed of when we felt so pulled apart. So pack a bag and don't forget your heart. We're gonna need it where we're going, gonna land among the stars. We can love forever or live in the moment, but we gotta own it. Baby, let's go. We can leave whenever. Just hit the road, 'cause all we have is now. All we have is now. All we have is now. Wild hearts can't be tamed. I know it sounds crazy, it's the only way we can finally break free. Can't live in a cage where the sky is falling. I can hear my name, oh, the wind is calling. We can love forever or live in the moment, but we gotta own it. Baby, let's go. We can leave whenever. I'll just hit the road, 'cause all we have is now. We can love forever or live in the moment, but we gotta own it. Baby, let's go. We can leave whenever. Just hit the road, 'cause all we have is now. We can leave whenever. Just hit the road, 'cause all we have is now.